How's it going, Forex traders? Welcome back to yet another amazing video from yours truly. My name is Dapo Willis and it's always a pleasure to hang out with you guys. Now guys, if you're just joining me for the first time, well, I like to consider myself one of the most realistic traders on the internet. Now the reason I say this is simply because I come on here to practice exactly what I preach, meaning that for every strategy that I talk about, for every Fibonacci or whatever ideology it is that I share with you guys, I come on here and I hold your hand and I show you guys how I use it real time. There's a segment of my channel called Trader Talk whereby obviously I show you guys, okay, this is my strategy, this is how I use it, okay, from the conceptualization phase whereby obviously we're just seeing the pair setup analysis. I take you guys from the analysis to the entry, when we get into the trade and to the exit. It doesn't get any more transparent than this, and it's safe to say that we've had a very fantastic trading year so far. AUD USD has been absolutely amazing, although we're currently experiencing a reversal, but that's absolutely fine. We've made the money we need to make and we're out, and the S&P 500 is making me so much freaking money. So guys, this segment of my channel today, on this video, we're going to be doing a quick recap of all the amazing pips we have bagged in the year of 2023. Now, before I do that, I wanted to say a quick shout out to all the Forex Mastery students who have absolutely smashed it. I've made a lot of money from the market, and I know you guys have made a lot of money from the market as well, because I'm seeing all the Telegram messages. Guys, Forex Mastery students cashed out this year big. How do I know? Because I'm seeing messages. People are telling me, people are telling me, sir, thank you so much for this course. This course absolutely changed my life. Literally one guy sent me a picture of the car he just bought for his mom. Let me look for it. People are buying cars. People are able to use money from Forex for the first time in their lives to invest in their businesses. People are buying Toyota Corollas to fund Ubers. People are doing all kinds of things because of the Forex Mastery program, teaching them how to extract money consistently from the Forex market. So once again, I want to give all the Forex Mastery students a big hug. Come on guys, give me a hug, give me a hug. Give me a hug, give me a hug. Amazing guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to be jumping into my screen right about now. But before I do that as well, you guys know this is the end of the year, and this is the time of the year where I embark on profit sharing. You guys know I manage well over 150 million US dollars. We actually just did profit sharing sometime in the middle of the week. As I'm recording this video, today is the 24th of December. You're probably going to be watching this on Christmas Day. So ho, happy Merry Christmas to you, ho. So profit sharing took place on the 21st of December. And yeah, I just received my wire transfer of some significant amount of millions of dollars. All of that being possible due to the fact that I understand the top-down analysis very well, and I've had a fantastic trading year, and I'm so freaking excited. And like I said, to every single one of you who watch my Trader Talk videos, who have taken the Forex Mastery program and have made money from the market, I'm super proud of you. I'm a happy camper. I'm going to sign off this year, and I'm going to have a fantastic holiday with my family, and I hope you guys do the same as well. Now guys, don't forget to click that redraw button. Go ahead and redraw the money you've made. Forex Mastery students, redraw your money, redraw your proceeds, and go and enjoy yourself. We've made money. Well, I've made a lot of money, and I'm sure you guys have made a lot of money as well. Click that redraw money and spend money on your family. Go buy yourself something nice. Now, for those of you guys who haven't joined the Forex Mastery program, do yourself a favor. If indeed you want to stand any chance of making your next year the best trading year possible, if you know that this time next year you want to be balling, I suggest you go ahead and grab the Forex Mastery program. The link is going to be in the description as always, or around here somewhere. And I had mentioned this before, but I think my team is really serious this time. The Forex Mastery program will be moved to a subscription product this time. We were waiting for Willis Capital to launch. It's going to be launching first week of next month. Once that is launched, the Forex Mastery program will become a subscription product because there's a whole lot of demand for it, and my team feels like we're not getting enough value for the products that we put out there. So for now, you have between now and the middle of next month to grab the Forex Mastery program at a one-time fee of $99. After that, start getting it right now. After that, you have to pay $99 every month for it. Like I said, if you are already a member of the Forex Mastery program, you're fine. But if you're going to join after now, you're going to be paying $99 every month. So ensure to grab it between now and the middle of next month, shortly after Willis Capital launches, so that you are well equipped to take on the new year and you can be celebrating like the rest of us at the end of the year for 2024. So once again, guys, my name is Dapo Willis. I'm going to be jumping into my charts to break down some charts. I'm going to see what going. Let's talk about everything that's happened this year, both up and down, good or bad. I'm one of the most transparent guys you can come across on the internet, and I have no issues talking about negative trades, and obviously let's celebrate some winners. So once again, guys, yeah, let's jump into the video. Let us go. Let's go. How's it going, traders? So welcome inside of my screen. Let's do a quick recap and potentially see the moves for next year. So we have some massive moves for next year already lining up, but let's quickly do a recap as to what worked for us this year and what didn't really work for us this year, so that we can take what worked for us this year, do more of it next year, and what didn't work for us this year, we do less of it next year. It's always important for you to do like an audit. Let's go ahead and audit the year so that we can go into the year 2024, obviously when Willis Capital launches, a lot better. But before I jump into my charts and start bashing, bringing down the charts and breaking down the charts and talking about all the cool stuff, you guys need to understand that Willis Capital once again is launching first week in January, okay? And there's going to be a Discord link in the description down below. Yes, the best prop firm in the world is here to save the day. I just got wind of the fact that a couple of prop firms just folded up. People are pulling out of their partners, partners are pulling out of their partnerships with their prop firms because prop firms were unable to pay out, which is crazy. But I did warn you guys. I told you guys that I looked at most of these prop firms out there, and I realized that their business model was quite flawed, and that's why it's taking us this long to put Willis Capital together, because I believe in funding traders live. Traders get funded, and this is the issue. They were not placing the trades on the live market, and that's why they run into issues. And I mean, they're here today and they're gone tomorrow. So like I said, guys, we at Willis Capital, we decided to do things a lot differently. We prioritize funding these traders. Trader funding is my priority. I want these traders to get funded because the truth is, we would like to make money when traders make money from profit sharing. Okay, it makes more sense for us that way. So it is in our best interest to ensure that traders get funded and they actually make money. That way we all make some money. You make money and we make money. So hence the birth of Willis Capital. Now guys, you don't want to miss out on the only prop firm in the world right now that is actually doing live trading, which is Willis Capital. So if you don't want to miss out on this, click the link in the description, obviously after you got in the Forex Mastery program, and join the Willis Capital Discord group. Do that right now. Don't play. Don't joke. You want 2024 to count for anything? Yeah, now you have access to real capital. Because like I said, I'm pledging $1 million US. Not I'm pledging, I have pledged. They're taking the money out of my account already. I pledged $1 million of my own money sitting in an escrow account to fund traders. This is real life stuff. So guys, as you go ahead and join them, I'm giving you guys time before I jump into my charts. Obviously, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel while you're joining the Discord group. But as you're joining the Discord group and you're getting yourself ready to amass all this capital for next year, ensure that you have at least studied the Forex Mastery program so that you don't go in there and fail your challenges, because there are going to be challenges as well. And most importantly, not even the challenges, I hope you don't go there and then lose my money. Damn, you're gonna have a fucking problem, because I will come for you. I'm joking, but please get yourself educated. Make sure you're ripe and ready for Willis Capital. So to ensure that you're one of the first few people who get access to Willis Capital, because it's going to be first come first serve basis. The servers will only be able to handle 5,000 people, and the remaining people will have to wait for the next intake. Yes, it's we have to do things properly. We have to manage the people on our systems, because this is real money we're talking about here. So the first 5,000 people will get priority access to Willis Capital. The remaining people will have to wait. So it's in your best interest to join that Discord group in my description right about now. Okay, so that's it, guys. All right, guys, so you have 5 seconds to join the Discord group. Join it right now. 5, 4, 3, click the link right there. Get it right there. 2024 must be different for you guys. Anyways, guys, so let's carry on with what we have in front of us. So one of the first pairs I'm going to go over is which happens to be my favorite and which happens to have made me the most amount of money last year. The trade actually popped off towards the tail end of last year, of this year, which was last week in November, and really took off and netted me, I think, well, right now we're sitting on about 500 and something pips, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, about 500 and something pips, if we're not mistaken. Very happy about it. It was a sweet move to the upside, and I'm going to explain to you guys why that happened and how that happened, and then obviously we're going to work our way down to other pairs that made me a lot of money as well. So let's quickly go over the S&P 500 trade once again, and we'll talk about how you guys can spot this for yourselves in the coming months, in the next year that's coming. Don't forget, we have Willis Capital on board right now, so you have capital to trade. No more excuses. Okay, so it was a simple trade for me. This is actually one of the most simple trades, and the thing about me is I like simple trades. Using the top-down analysis, I saw a push to the upside. I saw a pullback, and I saw the market was about to start taking off again. And apart from that, I saw a left shoulder and a right shoulder. This is an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and we broke the neckline and we started trading above. Now we came somewhere around here, which was shy of the target which was supposed to be going to, and we started to pull back. So what I simply did was I zoomed out, as always. You guys know me, king of zooming out. Connect the two lowest points like so. Okay, simple as that. And then what happened next? Simple. The market rallied and then started to pull back into what seemed like this was obviously the neckline. So the neckline that was acting as resistance now started acting as support, and then it was a very straightforward transaction for us. Hence, moving forward, simple Fibonacci. This is known as the Willis zone. I teach this on the Forex Mastery program. Willis zone intake. Willis zone works 99% of the time. We pulled back into here and started to roll all the way to the upside. So the idea behind this is very simple, right? So what exactly was I trying to achieve? What was my thought process? Now, the thing about me is I like to see space. I like to see the market initiate some form of a momentum in a clear manner, in a clear direction, and that's exactly what it gave to me here. I could see that we had all this space. As at the time when we pull back in here, I could see that we had all this potential space to the upside, and I just simply jumped on it. As simple as that. Okay, or from a bigger picture standpoint, because if you draw your Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, which is here, so you see A, B, C. This is Fibonacci move. So yes, this is the bigger picture. This was the bigger picture that's at play. Actually, let me move this to this side of it here. The bigger picture that's at play is A, B, C, D. So once I can see the bigger picture, then I can now come and trade the waves within the overall bigger picture. That's exactly how it works. First of all, I identified the market was going to shoot all the way up here because of the Fibonacci play, and then I waited for the market to also do another similar pullback pattern to the bigger one, but on a smaller scale, and that's what happened here. So A, B, C, Willis zone, bam, buy all the way to the upside. Now, simple as that. Now I've taken out 50% of my profit before the market closed on, what day was it? A day before profit sharing, because obviously I need my money. I need my money, and S&P 500 really helped us increase our equity curve for the year. Like this trade literally came and saved the day at the last minute, which is fine. You know, you have one of those dime minute bangers, but only the professionals and experienced and very good traders are going to be able to pull this off at the end of the day. Only the most educated, and I'm very sure that the Forex Mastery students also took advantage of this as well. Sometimes in trading, things might just be moving a bit slow, and it just takes one or two of those trades to actually change and transform your trading year. So never give up. Just keep pushing, man. Provided you stick to the rules and regulations of your strategy, provided you're sticking to the rules, you'll be absolutely fine. And that's why I like the top-down analysis and the Forex Mastery program, because the rules are very clearly spelled out. If this doesn't happen, we're not trading. This has to happen before we can jump on the trade, and this was a very clear-cut trade. Now, this was S&P 500. Thank you very much. I love you, S&P 500. I've taken out 50% of my position here, left the remaining to roll over into next year. So I'm expecting the market to push all the way to about 5,259. That's if we clear here. If this is not a double top, we'll break to the upside. We're going to come here. If this is a double top, we might roll all the way to the downside. I can't really say for certain what the market wants to do from here because it's a resistance zone, and I'm not the market. But ideally, this is how the market works: A, B, C, D, and then D1. So this is the extension. Okay, so if we can clear here, we're coming into extension on about 5,200 basis points. So there's a lot of room to the upside. You just have to have fingers crossed that we clear here. This is one that really excited me. And then over to the next one, which is AUD USD. As you can see, AUD USD, we had been trading AUD USD for the longest. We were expecting further rollover, and as you can see, my arrow is here. And there's not one thing about me is I will tell you exactly as is. Oh, hold on, guys. That's gonna affect my. Sorry, that's going to affect my editing of this video, so I just need to put that back up. Anyways, guys, so as you can see, we were expecting it to roll over. However, that did not happen, and that's absolutely fine. So I want to walk over this trade and explain to you guys how everything happened, how I was able to profit from it, and how I was able to keep my losses very minimal. Now you have to understand that I've been short AUD USD all the way from here. What was the ideology behind it? It was very simple and straightforward. It was a Fibonacci play from high all the way down to low. This is a resistance zone, so we also have resistance and we have Fibonacci pointing to the downside. Now ideally, this market was supposed to come all the way down here to complete, because that's how price action works. So already from here, once we started to see some very sharp sell signals off of resistance, don't forget this blue bar is a key level, and we also had Fibonacci resistance pushing it down here, and we also had trend line as well. So once I started to see red bars, I was already selling, and then we came down here, we pulled back, tried to jump in some sells. All of this was happening. Some of our sells that we took here got stopped out. As we started to jump down again, I jumped in on another sell. So as the market continued to come lower, I was locking in my profits. I was honestly expecting us to drop all the way to this green, but that didn't happen. And then obviously we pulled back all the way in here. I was expecting us to drop all the way down here. That didn't happen. Now this is what exactly happened, and I want you guys to learn from this. Now before I jumped into, I was expecting a sell trade over here, but before I jumped in and started analyzing and started saying that, oh, everybody should sell, I had also noticed that there was an area of concern that I wasn't comfortable about. I had noticed that on a monthly time frame, and this is why it's always good to look at your monthly, it's very important. I had noticed that on a monthly time frame, we had come in and put in a bullish engulfing monthly candle. This is a double bottom on the monthly on the time frame, and this is why I always preach to you guys, you see this thing that they call actually, let me try and close this up. You see this thing that they call monthly time frame, higher time frames. Don't play with them. This double bottom bullish engulfing candle destroyed everything straight away. So always listen to what the higher time frame is telling you. And in this case, although what was actually happening was we're having conflicting signals, and it happens anytime a reversal is about to happen. Chances are that you're going to see conflicting signals. Everything is pointing south. Was pointing south. So what do? We trade sells. We only look for sell opportunities until the market tells us otherwise. Sometimes the market will tell us otherwise by actually stopping us out, so, and then breaking some kind of parameter. So that's exactly what happened, and it is what it is. But for next year, always ensure that if you see a reversal pattern forming on a monthly time frame, okay, if you see a reversal pattern forming on a monthly time frame, ensure to take it very seriously. There's nothing much we could have done in this situation. We did our best. But I was able to extract some profit from AUD USD, not as much as I would like to have taken out, because this trade got closer somewhere around here because I was trading the stops. Obviously, I made all this profit all the way down to here. I would have loved to take it all the way down here, but that didn't happen. And then we took a loss inside of this consolidation, and then we made it all the way back here. So we had that trade profitable, but then I wanted to jump short again, and then we lost this trade. So AUD USD was It was decent. It was fine. Ideally, I was looking to go for about 1,200 pips, but from this, we're only able to bank about 450 pips net. Which, as in, I'm used to taking home 2,000, 3,000 pips, but sometimes the market just isn't cooperating the way you want it to go, and that doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with your approach or your strategy. It just simply means that the market is just not ready to do things the way you want it to do, and when it's ready to do that, it will let you know, guys, the market is erratic. Okay, sometimes the market needs to have a clear direction. It doesn't even know where it wants to go to. Okay, so sometimes you win some, sometimes you win a lot, sometimes you win not as much, but there's no room for losses here. Okay, we must always win. We must always win. And another thing I need to say to you guys, do not feel entitled about this market. Whatever the market gives to you, you have to take. You have to take. Now, BTC is one I am currently long at the moment. Why am I long BTC? I'll show you guys shortly. Because BTC next level target will be somewhere, hold on, BTC target $47,253 per coin. I'd seen, obviously, this was a decent reversal all the way to the upside. If you like it or not, this is a left shoulder head, left shoulder, right shoulder head reversal to the upside. And then yes, we're attracting this level about here. As you can see, this is a supply level. It is attracting this bad boy around here. So what do you do once you can see a clear direction on a higher time frame? You know that this guy wants to come here. Let me delete all this so that you're not distracted. Right? You know that. Simple. When this guy started coming here, you know that the next level target from here is here. So you wait for a consolidation in between these 2 points. Once it's starting to consolidate, you quickly scram to a lower time frame. Forex mastery students do this very well. Scroll down to a lower time frame and look for potential pullback zones. One of the most potential pullback zones I saw at the time, actually I saw the demand levels on a 4-hour time frame. Sorry guys, which was somewhere around here. As you can see, this is a decent double top, and then here all you need to do is simply draw your counter trend lines like so. And as you can see, we've had a decent double bottom breakout retest continuation to the upside. I see no reason why BTC should not fire over to 47k and hold it like a freaking magnet. I'm long from here. It's simple. It's simple. The Forex mastery students, you know this. My entry strategy is simple. Breakout retest continuation, module 6. Breakout retest continuation. You know, I've been stocking BTC for a bit, so it's quite quiet at the moment because we're currently in festive periods, but not to worry. Once the market opens up in first week in January, this market is going to rally all the way to the upside. So yeah, that should take me into a fantastic trade for the following year. So that's it pretty much, guys. Let me quickly go over the majors and explain to you guys what's happening in the majors as we speak. So what's happening in the majors right now is the majors are trying to find their foothold. They don't know if they want to reverse fully to the upside, and they don't know if they want this their head and shoulder to hold and carry them down. The Euro USD and GBP USD are saying the same thing. That's why a lot of people have been losing money lately. There's just no clear direction on these boys. That's why you're making money today and losing money tomorrow. You know, I always tell you guys the gospel truth. So it's looking like a head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Well, I like for that to happen because that will be in confluence with the downtrend. But right now, it doesn't seem to be clear as day. So I'm going to be waiting for these bad boys to line up. But for now, BTC will body. I'm holding on to BTC nicely. I'm expecting a nice push for maybe about between 43k and 47k. That should be about, I can't remember how they calculate the pips for BTC, but I'm going to have to check. But it's a significant amount of coins though. Yeah, it is. It's a nice one. So simple trade. Simple, guys. Identify your key level, your next level target. Allow the market carry on. Once it gets to a point, you will not go there straight. You will pause. That point in which it pauses and gives you consolidation, refine it, open it, break it down, come to a slightly lower time frame, understand what's happening. You can see a nice triangular pattern here, breakout retest continuation. You're free to jump on a buy. Stop losses come here and then ride this bad boy to the upside. It's as simple as that. I've been calling BTC for weeks now. Okay, so it was only natural for us to jump on it. So majors, not much really happening. Feel free to buy some BTC, S&P 500. Forex mastery students that are on the wave with me, riding the S&P 500 with me. Let's hope that we clear here. We have some potential money to the upside. However, if I see a bearish engulfing candle like this, close all my trades. That's how it's done. So once again, guys, I love you guys very much. I wanted to say a quick Merry Christmas to you guys. As I leave you guys, I want to say a quick prayer to you guys as you carry on forth right now. May God bless you and bless your family, and may He continue to reward you and ensure that you're able to take care of your family. You will see the new year with your whole family. You guys will have a prosperous and a Merry Christmas and a fantastic new year. No evil shall prosper with you and your family. You will grow from grace to grace. And for those of you guys who are traveling, God will protect and guide you guys. Okay, guys, so go forth and conquer in Jesus' name. Once again, guys, that's my time. I have a quick ad from ufaaido. They want to say quick something to you guys. You guys know ufaaido have been supporting the channel for the past 6-7 months. So I'm just going to quickly give them some time to tell you what they have. Actually, it's going to be me still telling you what they have to say, but you get the point. So listen to what they have to say, and if you vibe with them, ensure to click the link in the description to rock with them as well. So that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys in my other screen. I love you guys very much. Don't forget to join the Winners Capital Discord group. Ensure to do that. Ensure to grab your money. Willis Capital is here to fund you guys as always. All the links from the Forex Mastery in the description. Willis Capital Discord in the description. YouTube subscription, subscribe right there. Everything in the description. Catch you guys very later. Take it easy. Let's go to my other screen. Let's go. Thank you guys for staying to the very end of this very lengthy video. I love you guys very much. Once again, ho ho ho, Feliz Navidad and a Merry Christmas to all you motherfuckers. I love you guys very much. Ensure to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the new year. Love you very much and peace out. Bye guys, take it easy and peace out. Don't forget to grab the Forex Mastery program. All right, bye this time. Bye.